Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and today I am putting on the header to my, what do you call this thing? Subaru Forester, the 2.5. So I got a couple of studs here to put into the, it's so miserable out today too. Like, why can't it be nice once in a while? Like, really? Why can't it once be nice outside? It's always miserable for me. But hey, that's life. Well, let's see if I can get this done. And then I'll give her a start up and we'll see what kind of racket we can make. I did make another video. Hopefully I didn't lose it all already, because I kind of lost it because the camera shut down. And when it does that, it loses my video. So I don't know what's going on. So I'll get these studs in here. Two of these are new, and I have 4 that are original because I needed to. Oh man, now don't tell me you're gonna go in there. Oh, I hate it when it does that. These ones messed up a little. Please don't be messed up a little. I don't want to break out a thing to try to turn these studs in. Yes, that'll be a pain in the butt. Totally. Oh, please just go in. And it's freezing rain out today. So it's just wonderful outside. Isn't it? Oh, I love this weather. No, I don't. I hate it. So here's the exhaust. Brand new. Well, actually, it's just the header. Brand new header I'm putting in, and new original equipment. What do you call them? I don't want to call them oxygen sensor. Fuel ratio sensors? Haha. I don't know. But hey, this should go in nice, hopefully. We'll see in just a second. And now I just spilled all the bolts. They're not bolts, nuts out. That's genius. Let's just put those up there. And we shall get this up and bolted in, hopefully. I hope. Let's see how well this goes. Well, we'll see how it goes. Let's see. You got a camera angle there? I don't know if you do. It's hard to, you know. So, let me get these gaskets on here first. And let's see if I can get them to stay up there. That's not... Oh, I got that one to stay. This side has more working room on the passenger. Oh, so far so good. All I gotta do is get one in each side. Ha! Started. Let's see here. Oh, gasket. Oh, gasket. My hand here strategically placed. Gasket again. I should have stuck these up. I might do that. They seem to be staying. Let me get my hand. Oh, are you really kidding me? This one side gasket keeps on falling out. As soon as I tap it, it just like falls out. I'm gonna get something to stick that up there. It's just not gonna work. Well, something I might have should have noticed before this exhaust is not gonna work on this car. The oil pan is getting in the way. It's hitting on the pipe right here. So isn't that just wonderful? Oh, I just love it when things don't work out. Okay. I guess I'll have this exhaust up for sale. This was for this vehicle and for this year, but it ain't getting up there at all. I'm gonna go check it with the old one. I'll take you with me. Yeah, forget that. I chose to drive over in my van, my super van. Oh crap, now I'm stuck. Oh crap. Oh my word. Four-wheel drive van, you did this to me? It wasn't that deep here. Oh my word. Typical. I got no winter tires on this thing, so yeah, that's probably why. Oh, come on. I guess I'm walking. Well, I got my van out, but that's as far as I plan on going. I made it to a grassy spot. Maybe I'm stuck here now until spring, but I'm gonna make it over to that shed to check that exhaust. So I made it. Do you see the difference? I sure do. Yes, I do. That one's got a curve here made for the oil pan, and this one does not. Great. Spent way too much money on this. I was suspecting this was a bad catalytic converter in this one. Dang. There's nothing I can do. Well, I don't know. Maybe I can change the oil pan? No, I'm not going to start doing that. I'm just going to use this one. I'll just change out the O2 and this other sensor and put them on this one. And hopefully that'll be good. And I'll get this thing back up in the car. Yeah, it's a long exhaust. Wow. The car doesn't seem that long. Why does this seem so long? That's crazy. In fact, look at all my wonderful things in here. What is this bumper to? What is this? Oh, that was on my wife's other Tiburon. Okay. Seats for a boat. There's a boat motor cover. Seats for, that's a Ford Freestyle. Yeah. There's a door back there for, what is, I think that's to Jeep Liberty. There's another Tiburon door, Tiburon bumper, and all sorts of stuff in here. There's a panel or an undercover for a Jeep Liberty. I got all sorts of stuff in here. Stuff I didn't even remember I had. But wow. And yeah. Hey, there's that old Wajax over there. Yeah. I was gonna try to get that going, but man, that thing I just couldn't, no matter how much I worked on this thing, it just did not want to go. So, man, a bunch of parts here. These are parts for the Toyota Previa. Yes, that's what they are. Oh, front struts for the Previa. Cute little neato. So, looks like I'll be just stuffing this exhaust back underneath and just letting her run like that. Yeah, I guess it's fine. I don't know. I just had a feeling that cat was plugged in this one, and that's why I got that one. What I could do, nah, I'm not gonna start messing around. I'll just hold on to this one. If that cat is bad, I can take it off again, right? And I can just cut the cat off, and we'll have. I don't weld well. I weld, but I don't weld enough. I know a shop that can weld up that cat onto there. to where it should be. So, yeah, maybe I'd have them do that. But, yeah, that's probably it for today. I'm all tired out now. So, it hasn't been the pleasant of days. It hasn't been a great day at all. So, everything I did so far was just kind of not the best. So, it hasn't been a great one today. But that'll be it. And I got lots of gas jugs. Isn't that crazy, eh? I got lots of gas jugs. I got gas jugs over there. I got gas jugs over here. I got gas jugs everywhere. And for a guy, why do I have so many gas jugs? There's a heater down there. Cool. But yeah, there we go. And I'm going to say, thanks for watching. I wish I had noticed this earlier. Boy, that really burns me up. Because it said this was the year that was for. And wow. Did I screw up? Did I put the wrong oil pan back on it? I don't know. I'll have to check. Oh my word, I did. I did put the wrong oil pan on it. Crap. I used an 05 oil pan on it that came in the donor engine, and I did not use the oil pan from the 06, which probably is different. I'm going to have to go in and take a look. You know what? I'll go in and take a look right now. Oh my word, I think these oil pans are totally different. Look at this. This has the cutout. I don't think the one I have on it, this is the one from the 06. This is the 06 engine. This one has a different oil pan. Son of a... things you learn. Well, let me go see the other oil pan to see if it's different. Yeah, I gotta believe this. Or you probably will. This oil pan is totally different. This oil pan's not gonna work in this vehicle. This does not make me happy. I am gonna have to take this oil pan out, and now I got it in the engine, and there's a cross member in the way. Things, you know, things happen, and I just never realized this was different at all. Crap. You know, that even means that the exhaust that's supposed to fit on here is not even going to fit on here at all. Okay. Well, I'm going to have to... This makes me laugh. Okay. Well, it may be a video of me doing this or not, or I don't know. I'm just fed up now. Okay. Thanks for watching.